I'm here with James Heimbuck. We're going to talk a little bit about our Build Artifacts new category direction proposal. It came out of a discussion that we were having around a move for the Verify stage to take the continuous integration group and rebrand it to pipeline execution and add value to the testing category, which currently just focuses exclusively on testing automation, testing features, the breadth of testing capabilities. And I wanted to retrospect a little bit on this because Anoop brought up some really great nits around, I guess there weren't just nits, they were like really valid clarification points around the differences between pipeline artifacts, the differences between job artifacts, and what we were calling build artifacts. So that's sort of the what I was hoping to accomplish here, James. So I wanted to ask you a question. Was there something that I could have done during the move proposal of artifacts into testing that could have communicated value better of artifacts to the testing use case?
I think that through the discussion, we got to artifacts are useful, not just the ones that drive the features, like the test report and the code quality reports today, but just being able to expose artifacts and then manage artifacts. We see that as a big topic as well. So while primarily we want to play to the use case of the tester and the developer who want that feedback, that smart feedback loop quickly, there's also the persona of the admin for the instance who has to manage these things. And I think that there's some meat there as well that I didn't include in the initial draft of the direction page because we're so focused on what does Verify do and what are we doing in testing. But I think that as we filled that in, it helped to differentiate between the job artifacts and the pipeline artifacts, why those are different, how those are managed, and how this is different than package. That was one of the points that Anoop brought up, was that a lot of other companies talk about this as something that falls into registry or package, and why these are different, because they're more ephemeral. They're not something that you're necessarily deploying to a customer. It's really more for an internal facing audience usually.
Perfect. So I think adding this build artifacts category, which includes both pipeline artifacts that are produced as a testing artifact report, and then job artifacts, which are the latest output of your pipeline, which are both assets that are useful for the testing category, but also generally in the Verify stage, which will be utilized for top of funnel activities for the testing categories, but also generally useful for all Verify use cases to amplify not only your testing funnel, but add value for the entire Verify stage. We're definitely really excited that you're taking that on. And I think that it'll be easy to direct traffic to this category page, and also it'll be clearer for users, instead of just having the CI artifacts label on issues, that now it has a declared vision, it has a forward-looking use case and customer problem to solve and direction, where before it didn't really have a declared like path forward or vision. It was kind of just a collection of features or epics.
Yeah, we're really excited to be able to put direction behind this, understand, like you said, it's top of funnel for us of how many customers are creating and generating these reports, and then potentially not looking at them. Where are there holes in our funnel? Where can we build value add features for customers with data they already produce and upload or attempt to upload? And then where are there opportunities for us to give them just easy ways to publish HTML data to pages or things like that, as well as, like I said, administer. How can we help ease the pain points for that admin for a GitLab instance?
Absolutely. And then hopefully help them test better and help them improve coverage and performance of their artifacts. And then we can help convert those users to then author pipelines and use other features to help in the entire Verify stage to help them in their experience. Well, James, thank you for helping me reflect on this. I definitely am excited for this new category, and I think it'll really help our users see the future of artifacts in their experience at GitLab. So thank you.
Yeah.